man, how you doing? I'm doing all right. I got a question for you.
All right.
Is there any particular reason why you're riding on the wrong side of the road against traffic?
I always do that.
I mean, that's totally illegal to do.
Oh, it is?
Technically, it's illegal to drive a lawnmower on the road. But it's definitely illegal to drive a lawnmower on the wrong side of the road.
I didn't know it.
You got a driver's license on you?
No, I don't have a driver's license.
No? You don't have one at all?
No.
Why not?
I was taken back in 1985
For what?
for a DUI.
And you've never had one since?
No.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
Have you had anything to drink? You been out working or what?
Yeah.
Do you have anything? Do you have an ID card or anything?
Yeah, I got ID. That's how I did it.
You have anything illegal on you?
Yes.
Do you live in the area? It says here you live in Hampton.
The next street down, about 4 blocks back down.
Where are you coming from?
I'm over in Citra.
Over in Citra?
Yeah.
Were you working over there or what?
Yeah, I work over there every day, go over to cut grass.
I can smell alcohol. Have you had just one beer? 2 beers?
I had one this afternoon.
Just one?
About 4 o'clock.
And that's it? All right. Well, like I said, the reason I'm stopping you is because you're driving a lawnmower in the opposite lane of traffic.
Well, I thought that's where I was supposed to.
No, you're not supposed to drive a lawnmower on the street at all. Because if you drive a vehicle, which is technically a vehicle, if you drive a vehicle on the road, it has to have license, insurance, registration, tag, and all that good stuff.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Like I say, and if you're going to ride a lawnmower near the road, typically you would ride it on the shoulder, but you definitely wouldn't ride it into oncoming traffic.
Well, that's why whenever a vehicle comes, I pull off the side.
Okay. All right. Well, let me check out your license, okay?
All right.